Welcome to Los Angeles.
This street is the second most expensive street in America, outside of Fifth Avenue, New York. And everything on this street is absolutely expensive. That's a fact. But just because this stuff is expensive does not make it cute. Let me say that one more time. Just because this stuff is expensive does not make it cute. Because this is some of the ugliest clothes I ever seen in my life on this street, y'all. Real talk. This stuff is ugly. If you don't know about Ross and Marshalls, something wrong. Yeah, because I'm a Ross and Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Kohl's type of dude. Because I can look good and dress for less and still look like $1 million. I don't need Louis Vuitton on my chest to make me feel like I'm somebody. I don't need Balenciaga, none of that on my chest, on my pants to make me feel like somebody. And ladies, look at that.